Hey friends, if you wish to change Edge browser settings on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through everything. So open the Edge browser, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings. Now these are Edge browser settings, so I'll explain every section one by one. The first one is the profile. Now they usually pick up the profile for the Microsoft account with which you logged into your system, and you can manage your rewards. You can also manage your payments, payment information, passwords, etc. from this section. The next one is privacy, search, and services. This is exactly from where you can prevent tracking and delete browsing data and manage privacy and do a lot of things like changing your search engine security, etc. So this is also a very important tab. As for the appearance tab is the one to manage the theme. Like this is the light theme, this is the dark theme, this is the system theme, and you can also choose the red theme or the what do we say, purple theme or the blue theme or the yellow theme, etc. I prefer the yellow theme actually. So the next one is the sidebar. Okay, this is the sidebar. Just look at this, just look at my cursor. This is the sidebar. Okay, so this is a sidebar and you can manage this using this tab. You can add or delete items. The next option is the start home and new tabs page. Okay, so whenever you open a new tab, it opens as blank by default, but you can change it here. And you can also change the case with new windows and the home button. This is the home key. Okay, the next tab is for sharing and copy pasting. So you can use control plus V for it, or control plus shift plus V to paste plain text. Okay, and the next one is for cookies and site permissions. Now this is not to delete that, you do that through the privacy tab, but the cookies and data stored and everything is managed here. Like do you want to give permissions to the camera or the microphone, or do you want to store cookies for a certain site, and do you wish to delete cookies for one site, a specific site, and all that is all managed through here. The next one is the default browser. Okay, so this is from where you can make Edge your default browser or change it from the default browser to something else. If you wish to manage downloads, then we have the download tab for it. You can change the download location. You can change the option where you are asked to do or ask what you have to do with each and every download. The next one is the family safety page. In this tab, you can manage family safety on your system. For example, you can prevent your children from viewing adult content, and you can do it through this one. You can also prevent adult content from appearing in search results using the family safety tab. Then you might be knowing that Windows has its own languages, but websites also have their own languages, and this languages tab can help you with translation. That is the main thing. Okay, so you have to set your preferred languages for translation, and then make sure that this option is checked for offer to translate pages that are in that aren't in a language that I can read. Okay, the next one is to manage the printers, and you can also do that to the system, so I won't give a lot of importance to this page. After that, as for system and performance, this is from where you manage the startup, boost, hardware acceleration, and all. You can basically optimize the browser for balance savings or maximum savings, but I say balance savings always. After that, if you wish to reset all the settings in Microsoft Edge to default, simply click on the store settings and then click on reset in the next tab. As for phone and other devices, you can connect your phone to Edge, and here's what that will do. You will be able to download apps to your phone directly through Microsoft Edge, but I don't give a lot of importance to this page because you always have Google Play on our phone, and if an app is not supported by Google Play on an Android phone or iOS for an iPhone, it won't work anyway. Now the next one is the accessibility tab. Accessibility was initially created for people with disabilities, but it isn't about disability, it is about better access to the system now. For example, if you cannot read shorter text, you can increase its size, and you can also use the narrator on the system, though we have limited options on Edge, but you can check all of these options. And finally, the About Microsoft Edge page is to update it and check its version. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.